What's poppin', my beautiful Red Carpet Curls royalty, and welcome back to the Red Carpet Curls YouTube channel. As always, my name is Queen Adrienne Monroe. I am the founder of RedCarpetCurls.com and the entire Red Carpet Curls platform. So today's video is all about skincare. As you can see, I am in the process of healing years and years of horrible, painful, cystic acne. And as you can tell, I am so happy because I have just finished this scrub that I'm going to show you how to make, and my skin is so smooth like a baby's bottom. It is clean, clear, and moisturized thanks to the Thatsthatmagic and aloe vera that I will be using later on in the video. So let's get into how I like to put together my scrub using Thatsthatmagic. Alrighty, my beautiful Red Carpet Curls royalty. So this is really simple, okay? It's literally just 3 ingredients we're mixing together. You can always measure your things out, of course, 1 tablespoon, 2. Personally, I'm just pouring things into this little container because I'm going to use this for multiple scrubs throughout my week, because I do this scrub about 3 times a week to keep acne at bay. So the 3 main ingredients are brown sugar, vitamin E oil, and Thatsthatmagic. We're going to start with pouring the brown sugar. Like I said, you can absolutely measure. I'm just using such a small container that for me doesn't really matter. It's just 3 ingredients. I'm going to pour some of that brown sugar in there. And the reason I love to use brown sugar is because they are granulated particles. They are so small that it can work to exfoliate your skin at much better rates to give you a smoother appearance on your skin and a youthful glow. I will be using Thatsthatmagic. It's my all-time favorite blend. You guys know that. It is another video, part of the Thatsthatmagic playlist. It's been a huge proponent, guys, in my skincare. Like, this is why I promote it so much to you guys. This is a real 100% all-natural oil blend, and honestly, my skin is a prime example of how great this all-natural oil is. So I'm just mixing them together to get a nice consistency, kind of loose. I do like a loose paste kind of consistency just so that I can scrub better on my skin. I will be using vitamin E oil, not only because it's such a fantastic oil for the skin, but mostly because vitamin E oil serves as my preservative so that I don't have to use any other kinds of unnatural preservatives. So I'm just gonna mix in about maybe a teaspoon or so of the oil just to mix in there, because like I said, I have all these other oils that are going to moisturize my skin. So you just mix it together nicely, and there you go. That is the DIY scrub. This works all week long. I normally get about 3 or 4, sometimes 5 uses out of it, depending on how often I have to scrub my skin. But since it is winter, trust me, I do have to do this scrub about 3 times a week. Brown sugar is so gentle. This is perfect for sensitive skin as well, so don't worry about that. So let's get into how I like to apply this scrub in my routine currently and some of its benefits. Alright guys, so from this point on, this is my updated skincare routine. This is what I do 3 times a week, and every other night I basically do this exact routine just without the DIY scrub. So I do start by cleansing my skin with pure African black soap, just because it is a very deep cleanser and gets rid of all the oil and excess bacteria on my skin that would cause acne. And then after that, I go in with my scrub. Then I will rinse it off one more time because I don't want to leave the oil on my skin overnight. I will rinse one more time with African black soap, and then I will go ahead and finish up with my aloe vera. Now, let's talk a little bit about the benefits of the ingredients. Now, this is another Thatsthatmagic video, so I'm pretty sure you guys are sick and tired of hearing me explain the benefits of Thatsthatmagic over and over. So we're not going to talk about that. We're specifically going to talk about the brown sugar in this mix. This is why I put this scrub together. Now, as I wash my face with the African black soap and cleanse it to get ready for the scrub, let's talk a little bit about brown sugar for your skin. So brown sugar has granulated particles that can exfoliate your skin, clearing away dry and dead skin cells. This helps create a smoother skin and it gives you an overall youthful glow. Brown sugar also has antibacterial properties and glycolic acid that helps keep your skin radiant and healthy. So if you don't know what glycolic acid is, it's the most commonly used alpha hydroxy acid, which is a natural exfoliator for your skin. So as I'm starting to rub this scrub on, you're seeing the little particles of the brown sugar. Now, brown sugar naturally gives glycolic acid. It's from sugarcane, and it is the smallest in a molecular level amongst all the alpha hydroxy acids. So it's able to penetrate the skin better, and it's absorbed readily. It works by destroying the bonds between the old skin cells, freeing them from the ones that are being washed off. What I love about brown sugar and glycolic acid specifically is that it removes the outer layer of the dead skin cells, right? So it accelerates your skin's renewal process, bringing fresh, new skin to the surface on a regular basis when used continually. So like I said, I use this 3 times a week. This can help your skin look newer, dewier, with a glow that arises from increased circulation and faster cell turnover. But don't get me wrong, it's not just an anti-aging product. It also helps to lighten discolorations from sun and age spots, and even helps skin that's prone to blackheads, whiteheads, and acne like mine by clearing the pores of the old skin that clogs them. So now, as you can see, I am going in one last time with the African black soap. This is totally your choice. You can stop your routine right here. Once you rinse off the scrub, you can just pat your skin dry and leave it like that. Personally, I like to use aloe vera, so that is why I am cleansing my skin again. So now that it is all clean and clear, you see my skin looks much more shiny already. It has a healthier glow about it, but this is not where my skincare routine stops. I will be using a piece of fresh aloe vera gel that I have cut off from my plant to not only moisturize the skin, because aloe vera gel is able to penetrate your skin up to 4 times faster than water, and really work to not only moisturize the skin, but remember, aloe vera is a natural antibacterial, antiviral. It will help to get rid of any acne that I still have left. I've been doing this for about 2 months now, and I have so many less breakouts. So not only is this the new layer of my skin that is healthy and shiny, but I'm moisturizing this layer of my skin to the deepest layers now with the aloe vera. So my skin may have some of the That's That Magic left, just sitting on the inside at real deep levels. So my skin is moisturized. But if you chose to wash again, you can use That's That Magic as a serum right before this step. So if you are going to use the aloe vera, use the That's That Magic as a serum and then the aloe vera, so you have moisture and it is contained in your skin. So these are my results, guys. You've already seen my skin is glowing. It's very soft, very silky smooth. It looks like I have acne, but these are just marks that are left over. For the most part, this side of my skin and this side are completely smooth. And honestly, it's all thanks to this DIY scrub and the aloe vera. So guys, please listen. You don't need really expensive products. All you need is That's That Magic and a little bit of brown sugar, and your skin is going to thank you for it. So make sure you check out That's That Magic, and of course check out the full review on redcarpetcurls.com and use our discount code redcarpetcurls. Until next time, my beautiful Red Carpet Curls royalty.